Hi everyone, we're here to share the new version of the grip mats.
The grip mats have been such a game changer for stenciling, and we've used them in almost every one of our videos.
If you're new to the grip mats, we've linked a few videos that might be most helpful in the description below.
In this video, we'll show what's new with the grip mats and share more care tips to help you enjoy them.
The Grip Mat Black is made from high-quality photopolymer that gently holds your cardstock and stencil in place. No adhesive or tape needed.
This version is available in our 3 most popular sizes. The smallest fits the mini Misti, the medium fits the original Misti, and the large fits our 9x12 Waffle Flower media mat.
So what's new in version 3?
We're using a different photopolymer formula new to the grip mat. It feels stickier to the touch and provides a stronger hold of your stencil.
It also comes with a black printed acetate sheet instead of the green grids from version 2.
The black base makes it easier to see exactly where your stencil touches the mat, since the sticky areas appear slightly darker when pressed.
If you're using the mat inside a Misti, we recommend removing the black acetate sheet so you can easily see the Misti grid underneath.
If you're working on a smooth tabletop or glass surface where photopolymer sticks well, you can trim the acetate sheet to a smaller size and leave it on the back of your mat.
This gives you enough exposed area for the grip while still making it easy to remove afterward and helps you reduce the risk of tearing.
For the best grip, press the stencil down just outside the edges of your paper.
This seals it in place while keeping the corners loose for easy removal.
You can also trim the acetate sheet corners at an angle to let more of the mat contact your surface. This helps prevent shifting during blending.
To minimize paper warping, gently peel the mat away from your paper, as shown on the screen.
If the mat ever feels less sticky, just wipe it clean with a damp, lint-free cloth or rinse it with water. A non-scratch dish sponge can help remove small paper particles.
We prefer using a piece of faux leather chamois for a quick clean. To dampen it, soak it in water until soft, and then squeeze out as much water as you can. There should be no dripping. Just remember, if you use rubbing alcohol to clean your stencil, keep it away from the mat. Alcohol-based cleaners will damage the photopolymer.
In between uses, if you prefer to leave your mat on your table, cover it with a clear acetate sheet from the packaging or a sheet of parchment paper.
If you're storing it away, you can return it to the packaging or place it between 2 pieces of parchment paper. Just avoid stacking heavy items on top for an extended period of time.
Please find more care tips on our product pages.
Starting today, you can find our black grip mat at waffleflower.com and through many of our retail partners.
We'll continue offering version 2 in 6 sizes on our website while supplies last.
That's a wrap for the Grip Mat Black version, offering a strong hold, clear contact visibility, and available in our 3 popular sizes.
We can't wait to see how it helps you create. Thank you for watching and happy crafting!